3 of them.
What the heck are 3 of them over here for?
You didn't hear them? That's the ones that crowed.
Memphis, come sit down, please.
Oh, man.
You need to lay your bread out.
Oh, it's out.
I know, but... How's Ollie doing?
Ollie, come on, man. We have food.
Those are not crows.
Is Ollie scared of birds? Those are crows.
We have food.
I heard
Ollie
squawking.
sees it. Go get it. Go get it. It's yours for the taking. Just take a little swim by it.
Where's the other one?
There's 3 of them.
Ollie, are you afraid of birds?
Is there bread over there?
I need to have someone hand
I
at all
thought that.
times.
I was like, they were squawking. It sounded like a crow, but I didn't even think they had crows around here.
It's the last time I won't be prepared for that.
You need to lay it out more.
Oh my God, you scared of birds?
Crows, especially.
Really? Why?
I don't know why.
That was crazy. He's like
around.
jumping up there behind. You had to make sure you don't got no
There's
hands.
3 of them. Where's 3 of them doing up there?
Oh no, that is weird.
Sense in the bread.
Dan making bird signs? Bird signals?
No.